Hello, assalamu alaikum friend. Today we are going to discuss about the PDF reader. Welcome to How to Learn. Today we are going to discuss the reader of PDF reader. So PDF file reader, we having the many space issues, so I will give you suggestion to install the latest and low space. So this space is 4.1, and if you see 23 MB, and you can see 13 MB and whatever else. So PDF reader, this one you can see the icon as well. This one you can see. So this is very low, and it is a very latest, and you can get the information about this. Version 1.0.0, and last updated on 23 October and 2019, and released on 23 October 2019. It's a latest update, so you can take the more detail. I have already installed this, so we are going here. If you want to give a star, you can give. So these all files are being PDF reader, so it will be open. It has been open, and all things are being open. And if you want to share, you can share anywhere. And if you want image file, whatever else, and create new, you can also create your PDF, import something else, so your PDF edit you can use. You have to select, then underline, italic, center, middle, whatever else, copy paste you can do easily. So if you don't want, so you can remove, and you can use the date, name, size, sort by. You can do this as well. Name you can do, and date wise you can do. Okay, so don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Press the bell icon for new videos.